Hi, sis. Long time no see.
Rooster, they finally let you out of prison? What were you in for this
Well,
time?
someone keeps us swindled him out of 1,100 bucks.
And why do you say that?
Because the Rooster swindled him out of 1,100 bucks. So, who's the party I bumped into when I came in?
She works for Oliver Warbucks.
Me? Oliver
Annie, one of the orphans here, is getting adopted by him.
Honey, orphan. Yeah, look at the level of tree while the two hanging kids ended up on the skids. It's not fair. Not. It ain't fair how we scrounge for $3 or $4. Well, she gets $4.
That little brat.